No. Okay. Good evening once more. We are in the Eywa ecosystem webinar. Eywa, or maybe the new Crosscurve Meta Layer. Okay. I hope that the other person will join us during the webinar. Let me share what I have prepared for you, guys. This is a strong, a strong and a key webinar of what you will understand when I will explain to you what I want to share with you. Let me share this. Maybe you will see. Okay. Are you seeing my screen? If yes, you can say something or just type in the chat something.
Yes, clearly.
Okay. Today, let us talk about again for our revolutionary cross-chain, cross-curve meta layers. Why cross-curve meta layers? This is the next evolution of cross-chain DeFi infrastructure. You will understand why this is going in the hidden place. It is like a submarine project who is not making many noise. In fact, we know that some of biggest projects, they are not making noise when they are when they are in the building process. And this is the same line. We are in this same line. We are powerful, we are extending our influence, and you will understand what we are doing and how we are moving forward, where we are going. Okay, now we were cross curve in the past. In the past, please, we were Eywa token, Eywa infrastructure, Eywa cross chain. Why we are moving from Eywa to Crosscurve Meta Layer. Okay, let's go. From Eywa to Crosscurve Meta Layer. This is a vision of evolution. We are entering in the next evolution phase, transforming into the Crosscurve Meta Layer. It is a next generation architecture that unifies cross-chain liquidity faster, I say, more securely and more profitably than ever before. This is a breakthrough platform represents the future of borderless DeFi, where fragmentation becomes a thing of the past. Our main goal is to solve the fragmentation liquidity problem in the major blockchain. I can say in all blockchain process. Okay, Crosscurve Meta Layer is now your all-in-one DeFi solution. For those who don't understand, DeFi means decentralized finances. We have in our new Crosscurve Meta Layers, we have cross-chain swaps. What means execute seamless swaps between more than 21 blockchain with optimal slippage and best-in-class routing. Those who have tried it can understand what I'm saying. Secure bridge. Transfer asset with unprecedented security through our innovative consensus bridge technology, CBT. That means that you can transfer any amount, billions of dollars from Ethereum to maybe to Binance without any loss of one penny of your phone. Securely, nobody at this time can hack your money through the process. We have a high yield farming. Those who have tried to put the Eywa token in our farm through our dashboard know that this is a higher profit. We maximize return through multi-layer incentive structures and optimized yield strategy. I will be fast, guy, because we'll browse to many, many things and then answer a few questions. We are solving a critical DeFi challenges. You know, every true blockchain or cross-chain company or I means projects need to solve a critical problem in this world. Talking about the cryptocurrency process, blockchain, and so on. You know, in blockchain, we don't have only cryptocurrency, but we have data, we have the liquidity, we have, in fact, there are many, many things we can do with blockchain because many of people, when we are talking about blockchain, they only think about, the only thing that blockchain means cryptocurrency. No, there is above cryptocurrency. No, we are solving the problem of security. You can hear in maybe in a few years ago in the history of blockchain cryptocurrency that there are some hacking process, thieving money in some centralizing exchange and so on in some wallets. But we are solving this problem. We have a revolutionary consensus bridge who deliver unprecedented protection when transferring assets through cross-chain, eliminating traditional bridge vulnerabilities. We have unified the liquidity. This is most important thing. Means that you have your money in the Binance blockchain. You have another money in the Ethereum. You can now unify your liquidity, moving in from one blockchain to another seamless, easily, smoothly, and a lot of reward. A lot of reward. Multi-level reward distribution system ensure equitability compensation for the liquidity. This is the three major critical problem we are solving in our cross-chain. The Eywa token powering the ecosystem. Look, the Eywa token remaining the governance token of our system. It doesn't disappear. It's remaining the same. It is an utility and a governance token. Two major way to use it. Governance token and utility. You need to note or to remember this. And this will grow in importance as we implement new mechanic and program within the cross-chain meta layer. The token's role will expand significantly, offering holders increased utility and governance power. This means that our token, it is not like a shit coin. No, it is not like a simple token. Sooner or later, having this token it will become like a golden egg because it is a governance token, it is a utility token. This token enhance reward and it gives access to premium features and tools. This is a token. And remember that we were saying that Eywa token through a Crosscurve Meta Layer, it's solving not only one major project, not only one major problem in the blockchain, but many, many problems. Okay, now the major innovation, what changing Eywa from Eywa to Crosscurve Meta Layers is that now you can list your token in Crosscurve. This is the difference. In centralized exchange, it costs enough. It costs enough. You can go from $15,000 to $300,000 to list a token. And despite this market cost, you have a limited revenue from volume, and you have a restricted audience to reach. Inside the traditional DEX like Uniswap, like PancakeSwap, and the other Sushi Swap, and so on, you have a single chain liquidity only, fragmented user bases, limited cross-chain access, and so on. But now look, in our Crosscurve Meta Layer, you have access to more than 20 chain instantly. 5 day, only 5 day to list your process, to list your token. 5 day process to list your token. Fraction of sex cost and 2-click only cross-chain swaps. You understand now why Crosscurve Meta Layer will be the best. Okay, now let's move forward. It is faster, it is cheaper, and it will be more and more global. Let us summarize. More than 22 blockchain instant access to liquidity and user across all major network. 5 day only to list your project through Crosscurve Meta Layer. Click to swap. Only 2 clicks to swap through from one blockchain to the other. This is a simplified user experience for stretching. You understand that Crosscurve Meta Layer provide token issue with unprecedented rich speed and cost efficiency. Okay, now our ultimate goal. This is one of the main target for 2021. Maybe some of you are asking that, but what is the relationship with between this and DigiU? You understand, if you are new in our ecosystems, if you are new in our conglomerate, you will understand. Wait, if you have question, just mark your question, and then when we reach the level of answer the question, you can ask your question. In 2025, we will develop the V4 router. We were beginning to the V1, V2, and we have jumped through the V3. In fact, we did not develop the V3. We jumped directly to the V4 router. What means the V4 router? It is our ultimate goal, achieving universal cross-chain swap. Any token to any token. This is the main role of the V4 routers, so that you can chain, you can swap, for example, Bitcoin to Ethereum, from Ethereum to BNB, from BNB to Solana, from Solana to Ton, from stablecoin to the other stablecoin, and so on. Any token to any token. This is our goal on any network. Maybe you don't understand what will happen. So you can have $1,000 of Ethereum. Now you need BNB or you need Solana. You can swap it easily with the most lowest fees in the market. And to accelerate this vision, we are skipping router V3 and developing router V4 directly. And look what will happen. We will have unlimited liquidity through third-party bridge integration. We have Circle. You can check in the internet directly what is Circle, who they are, Circle, Wormhole, and Axela. Major DEX will support. We will support Uniswap, Velodrome, and so on. And the most important thing, there are some how can I say this? There are some complicated blockchains like Solana, Tong, Sui, and Aptos. We will have it, we will connect it, and at the end, Bitcoin layer 2 solutions. If you know what I'm talking about, you will understand what we have. In fact, you can read our full roadmap in docs .crosscurve.5/roadmap. I can paste you the link in the comment if you want. Okay, now our major innovations in 2025. I was saying about router V4, aggregating the best bridge, DEX, and networks into one unified meta layer for optimal routing efficiency. OFT standard support. This is a new name. We know NFT. Now it is OFT standard support. Meanwhile, omni-chain fungible token integration. What means this? It means that you can take your NFT from Aurora to Sonic, or from Sonic to Ethereum, or from Ethereum to BNB, and so on and so on. We have an hyperliquid integration, advanced trading scenario with access to perpetual future and sophisticated financial instruments. One thing is particular. We are becoming the aggregator of aggregators. Meanwhile, we are becoming the best, the king of the kings, I can say like that, combining not just liquidity, but the best DeFi tool to scale cross-chain capability. I can assure you that there are no other cross-chain who can have this kind of innovations. We have a consensus bridge, revolutionary, secure model ensuring maximum protection for cross-chain asset transfer. Okay, now to finish this part, please, I'm begging you, join the cross-chain revolution because we'll have the DeFi without border. We are unifying the liquidity DeFi and let you earn the most in this DeFi with Crosscurve Meta Layer. We are transforming token. We are transforming the way token will be launched, will be traded, and will be used across the entire blockchain of the future. Okay, this is the first part of our presentation. If you have question for this part, I will make a small parenthesis so that if you have one or two questions, I can answer. After that, we will jump to the other part of our presentation. Okay. Let me check in the. Okay. So if you have question, you can ask your question. I will stop sharing my screen, and then I will move to the other screen for me to share. Okay. Let's go. Now we will go inside our dashboard to show you something inside our dashboard. Okay. A moment. I don't know if you are seeing what I am sharing right now. Okay, if you are seeing it, you can put something in the chat. You can put a finger up in the chat. Okay, this is our dashboard. You know, we are not just a cross chain. We are like an ecosystem who is carrying a lot of things inside. This is our Crosscurve Meta Layer dashboard. You can access it by typing Crosscurve. You can see here Crosscurve.5. Crosscurve.5. Now you will enter this. Our motto is unify cross-chain liquidity for your swaps and high-yield farming. We have Curve, like partner, main partner. We have Hope Chain, Sonic. If you want to understand what means Hope Chain Sonic, you can browse it through AI, GPT, or maybe in a Google browser to understand what means Hope Chain Sonic, what means layer zero, what means fract finances. Now we have, you can buy token in various centralized exchange and decentralized exchange. Of course, we have our apps here. We have our DEX, decentralized exchange here. We have MEX, KuCoin, Gate, and so on. You can buy it there. Now, this is the true major problem, or maybe I can say not problem, the true major composition of our cross-chain. Seamless access to cross-chain liquidity, most secure cross-chain transaction, yield farming. Okay, now let's go. I want to show you something here. Okay, we have Crosscurve option Sonic because we are here back at we are inside option. We have inside a Sonic option or a Sonic blockchain, if you mean. We have Crosscurve token bridge, we have Crosscurve router, and we have the pools of yield farming. And now, how Crosscurve is solving major problem? I am like repeating for you to understand very well. The end of blockchain liquidity isolation. Okay, now, this is a DEX Launch Connect. You can connect your token to the whole EVM ecosystem and Sonar, the non-EVM ecosystem. You can connect your token, those who are developing projects. But for us, it's a part of success because what we are developing here will bring us a lot of money in our share we have in DigiU ecosystem. Because if you hear, I launched an old video of Boris Pova, the CEO, the master of Crosscurve Meta Layer, and also one of the founder of the DigiU ecosystem. He said that having share in the DigiU ecosystem means automatically that you will earn in Crosscurve Meta Layer benefit. You will benefit on it because you are a owner of this project through your share you have in the ecosystem. We are the first truly decentralized bridge in the world. We are the first. It is not a joke. It is not a liar. We are the first. Okay, let's go. How consensus bridge work? If you understand that, I will not go through this deeper, but just understand something. Who is the validator? We have Axela. Please type Axela. What means Axela? Who is Axela in your browser, in Google browser or Firefox or in the web research you want? Search it. What is Axela? You will understand. Who is layer 0? Who is Asterisk? Who is Chandling CCIP? You will understand what we are building. Look, this is the shame of the process. And now, who is Wormhole? This is coming soon. Another biggest partnership. It's coming soon. Wormhole. And now, if you are following our process in our Telegram channel, and I can advise you that it's better for you to subscribe to our channel, Telegram channel, to understand what we are doing, because we are not talking, we cannot explain all what we are doing here. It is enough. But if you are exploring our Telegram channel, you will note a lot of partnerships, a lot of partnership. Every month, you will see a partnership with another biggest ecosystem, partnership with Crosscurve Meta Layer. Every time, every time. This is not for nothing. Something is coming. We are still building our cross chain. We are not at the end. We are just in the beginning, and you need to take part on it. Okay, now, oh, this is our client, Michael Egorov from Curve Finances. This a major association who brought this name, Crosscurve. Okay, now we have finished. Okay, let's launch. Let us launch our app quickly. To launch our app, you click here, and then you will reach in this section. This is okay. Do not be how can I say it? Do not confund this. This is the let me show you. This is the DEX. the decentralized exchange. The decentralized exchange is inside the Eywa, let me say, the Crosscurve ecosystem. It is a part of Crosscurve Meta Layer. You have Crosscurve Decentralized Exchange. This is the dashboard of Crosscurve Decentralized Exchange. It is not the same thing. It is a small part of Crosscurve Meta Layer. Okay, here you have your dashboard. You can check what you have inside. You have all your activities, token investing, locked in DAO, available for claim, and you have your Eywa balance, you have reward Eywa balance here, and the number of the NFT you brought. If you bought the NFT, you will see it here, and NFT investing and so on. So you can browse it. You have here to trade. You can exchange the token USDT from stablecoin and so on. I can select here the Sonic Chain, Arbitrum, BNB, Ethereum, Bez, Linear, Fractal, Optimism, Polygon, Avalanche, Blast, Gnosis, Kava, and so on and so on. And so now we will have Tong, we will have Solana, we will have blockchain inside already connected. So this is how this works. You can buy your Eywa token in the centralized exchange directly, but I advise you to buy it through our decentralized exchange. It is most secure here. Okay, this is what we can say in our dashboard, in our decentralized exchange dashboard. You see that it is different for this. This is the main board of Crosscurve Meta Layer. You have this, but now if you jump to launch our DEX, you will come here. It will brought you here. And then there are many things. You can provide liquidity, you can farm, you can stake, and bond. There are many actions you can go there. For example, if you need to farm inside, this is the pools inside. You can farm Eywa USDT. Eywa USDT is like you have USDT in Binance or USDT ERC20 or BP20. This is the same in the Eywa or I mean Crosscurve ecosystem. Okay, you can check and select your convenient pool, put your token then, and it will bring you money. For example, I have put a small here, and this is the reward. You can choose, you can choose, you can choose. I have earned a lot in the past from this pool. You can select one of the best, those who are bringing you the most efficient reward, and activate it. And now you can go in liquidity or maybe in the staking, because the farming process is different to the staking. Staking means that you are locking your token during a period, during a time. But farming means that you are putting your token and you can withdraw it at any moment. But in the staking, you will lock your token maybe during 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, depending of what you want or I can say the reward you are expecting. This is how it's work. Okay, we have finished this step. Again, if you have any question, you can ask your question before I am going to another step, or I can say the last step. Let me check if there is any question in the comment section. Okay, okay. There is no question. Is there any question before I am moving forward, or maybe I am going to the end because this meeting will not last enough? I will go fast and show you something who will shock you, your imagination now. If there is a question, or can I move forward? If you are with me, you can put a finger in the comments so that I can continue. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you, Mr. Lawrence. Thank you, Mr. Marvelous. Let me continue now. When there is no question, means that everything is okay and well understood. Okay, now let me share something. Please, guys, open your eyes very well. Let me share something. I will type it in the browser so that you will not say that it is fake. Let me share my browser. It is better like that so that I type it with you. Yes, you will understand what I want to show you right now. A moment. Let me share my browser. Uh, okay. Okay. Now this is my browser. Okay. I will type follow me. New BRICS Bank. Okay. New BRICS Bank. Let us search. Okay. New BRICS Bank. You can type it in your browser also to follow, to be in the same line with me. Let it try network issue. Okay, in fact, let me jump here. Jump here. In the BRICS Bank, you will go to, this is all, and the BRICS Bank. And I will let you follow me. This is bring back, if you type it in your browser, the BRICS Bank. Now, I go to the image section. Now, please, can you tell me what are you understanding while looking these pictures? You can open your mic if you want and say something. This is BRICS. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, and there is a plus after, means that the other countries are coming, like maybe, I don't know, Nigeria, like Burkina Faso, and so on. Just type it. I have a small network issue, but
I want to talk.
yes.
I'm seeing the picture, or let's say the logo of Crosscurve.
Okay. Another person? Junior said that he's seen the logo
Yes,
of
sir.
Crosscurve. Yes.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it true? Are
Yeah,
you saying the
yes.
same thing?
Yes, sir. In addition to the logo, the bank is actually named New Development Bank, and then the name of the countries like South Africa, Brazil, and co are listed as I Google it myself.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Those countries that are already there in the BRICS,
Yes.
their name are listed.
Uh-huh. Okay, now, please, let us go back to our Crosscurve Meta Layer. In fact, if you Google the same, for example, if I Google Crosscurve Meta Layer, or I have a network problem, but you can type it network. If you type uh, Crosscurve Meta Layer, and then you browse to the image, you will understand. In fact, just look here. Look our logo. Look our logo in Crosscurve. Our logo in Crosscurve. Here in our decentralized exchange, our logo. Now, just come back in this logo. For example, here you see New Development Bank. It is the BRICS banks. Now, remember that in the past, we were saying that Eywa, at that time, the name was Eywa. before jumping to renaming it to Crosscurve Meta Layer, we were saying that Eywa probably, we were not sure. And at this time, we cannot say 100% that it will be like that. But we were saying that Eywa will be the messaging system of the new BRICS bank. True or false? We were saying in the past that there are
True, sir.
a heated negotiation between DigiU and the BRICS leaders that Eywa should be the new SWIFT messaging system of the BRICS. You understand what is happening? Or maybe you are how is it called in the Bible? We call it in French, Thomas, in the Bible. You see, but you understand. You say that until you put your finger, until you touch with your hand. This is, look, is it coincidence? Is it, I don't know how to say this. Did you see it? Did you mark it in the past? That the same logo for the new development bank, it's similar to Eywa Crosscurve. How can this be, I don't know. Please help me to say it.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I quite remember in 2023 that Eywa was said then that is going to drive the BRICS Bank. And then we're talking about CBDC, such that even when the CEO came to Nigeria, then Mr. Mavelo was directly with him, that they were working towards even meeting CBN so that CBN can come, that is Nigerian CBN, and can come, that when they are ready for their CBDC, Eywa will be the platform to drive it as at that time. And then the development is getting to this point now that we can see it obviously, that those countries that are already in the BRICS have already embraced this technology to use so that there will be flexibility in the relationship of one currency to the other. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Actually, when the CEO came to Nigeria, he mentioned that there are already talks with the BRICS nation. He said it categorically that they are already on talks with the BRICS nation, and he also mentioned Indonesia. I don't know why he mentioned Indonesia, but Indonesia, I don't know if they are part of the BRICS nation, because I know India is there. But apart from India, I mentioned Indonesia specifically. So, I'm not surprised to see the logo, because there is a particular PDF the CEO presented with the CBN that day. The meeting actually held within the CBN, the team that developed e-Naira. So, and I was privileged to be there. There's a particular PDF he used, and he told us not to even snap it, that it is part of the secret of the organization, and they don't want to leak it out too soon, too early. So there are so many things he showed there that they are just, even as a programmer that I am, they are too complex for my assumption or assimilation in that moment. It was too fast, and we was speeding through the PDF and all that stuff. So that I can say in affirmation to this, that I'm not surprised that it's happening this way. So adoption is coming, and I know why I've always, since 2023, I've never looked back on DigiU. There's something I saw during the CBN meeting. I have never looked back. So that's just it.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Marvelous, for this reminder. Pastor Raphael, you raised your hand.
In addition to what Mr. Mavelo just mentioned now, actually from the bank, they have a founding member, which were like the 5 countries that start the BRICS, which is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. All of them started this movement as at July 3rd, 2015. Then we have new members that have joined them. We have Bangladesh, we have United Arab Emirates, we have Egypt, we have Algeria. This one joined respectively. Bangladesh joined on the 16th of September 2021. October 4, 2021, that was when United Arab Emirates joined. Then Egypt joined on the 20th of 2023, and then Algeria joined on the May 19th of 2025. Then there are prospective members. Those are members that are coming. They also put them there. We have Bulgaria, we have Colombia, then we have Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan.
Yes, in Abuja. Thank you. Though they are more members are coming, but that is how it is now currently with the bank. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And now remember also that as a news, last year, for the last meeting of the BRICS in Brazil, if you remember, DigiU was invited there, and the CEO told us that they have signed a major partnership. He didn't mention, in fact, they don't have the right to reveal it at this time. He didn't mention the partnership, but he said that they have signed a major partnership with some of the leaders of the BRICS. I don't know if it was the whole BRICS association or maybe some part. In fact, we don't care about it. What is important is that we are in the heart, in the kernel of something marvelous, something spectacular will happen in the few. In fact, it is near for us. It is near for us. And DigiU is inside, deeper inside these partnerships who is building inside the BRICS ecosystem. And now, if you look the update of the Crosscurve Meta Layer, it is security, and security. Because when government will put fund inside the Crosscurve Meta Layer, they don't need to be hacked. They don't need to have the money to be unsecure, or maybe the money to be thief. So they need 100% of guarantee that the money is saved. And last time, maybe 2 months ago, Crosscurve Meta Layer have passed another security check, another audit, and they have the score of 100%, no vulnerability discovered, nothing inside, zero vulnerability, zero problem. So they have a score of 100%. If you want, I can put you the link of that post. The post who is mentioning, if I see it, I will put it in comment so that you can go yourself and check what I'm saying. Means that we are working in a security to have the most powerful, the most stronger cross-chain that can carry billion dollar in a security, in the most secure form. This is how we are working and where we are going. Okay, let me stop sharing this. I hope that now you understand what means DigiU. Those who don't understand, I saw some, excuse me to say that, some nonsense person say that, okay, they know Eywa, but Eywa is not part of DigiU ecosystem. It is a token like that, blah, 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 blah. There is no link with DigiU ecosystem. They don't understand. They don't understand. Please, that video I have launched at the beginning, you can go in our channel, go and watch again, because to know where we are going, you need to understand where we are coming. If you watch very well and you listen very well what the CEO Boris Pova is saying, talking about the power and the useful of the Eywa Crosscurve Meta Layer ecosystem, you will understand that we are catching the future of interoperability, talking about transaction through major blockchains. And this is just the beginning. We are still building our ecosystem. many good things come with time. And remember that we are not making noises outside. We are building it in the silent way, easily, having partnership, and not a small partnership, the biggest partnership in silence. People are saying that why the token is dropping down like this. We don't care about the dropping. The time will come that the token will raise. Not that we have only 1 billion token, total supply and max supply. No one is only 1 billion. And at this time, we have a circulation supply of something like less than 400 million token. And this is growing. I can assure you that when we will hit the max circulation supply of 1 billion outside, you will see something. You will see miracle. So just wait. We are continuous to move forward. Okay, if you have question regarding what we were sharing, you can, or maybe a contribution, you can open your mic and say something.
Yeah, Mr. Gerard, so I think Mr. Augustine is
Mhm.
asking you show him how to buy Eywa through the decentralized exchange. That's through Crosscurve.
Yes,
So maybe
let
you
me
can
put
just
first the link here, app.crosscurve, means app.crosscurve.fi. Okay, first of all, you can copy this link and enter the dashboard, or maybe let me go again if my network can help me to carry it. Okay, a moment, please. Let me go back and share the dashboard. Okay, where is it? Okay, let me go to the dashboard. I will share it and show you quickly. It is not, normally we should have practical training, and there is some video led by Mr. Marvelous that you can browse and understand very well. And here you need to have, I don't know if you are in phones, Androids, iOS, or maybe in a computer. If it's a computer like me, you need to download and connect your wallet. You can use, here I am using Rabi wallet. You can use MetaMask and so on. But MetaMask was disturbing this time. That is why I have shifted to Rabi wallet. It's smooth and good. I like it. You can import your private key or your mnemonic word inside. In fact, you will need to connect your wallet first for you to buy Eywa token. And you will need to have USDT in BNB, Ethereum, Polygon, depend on you. You need to have USDT. Now, you will come here, trading. You will come in trading mode here. It is in French, sorry, but it is the same. You can understand. I didn't see where to shift it in English here.
Mr. Gerard, you didn't mention the gas fee as well.
The
If they
gas fee.
buy, yes, maybe if they
Yes,
buy,
thank you, Mr. Marvelous. If you have, for example, Binance USDT, you need to have at least 0.5 cents of BNB. If it is Polygon, of course, you need to have some fragment of Polygon, Ethereum Polygon as you will use as a gas fee. If you have Ethereum, you have a Ether, less than $1, I think. But it's better to have $1 for a comfort of your transaction. $1 Ethereum, $1 BNB, $1 Polygon. In fact, each blockchain you have USDT. You need at least 0.5, but I say it is better to have $1. Then you come here, you select the input token. For example, if I have a USDT in Binance, let me check. I don't know if I have something in this wallet, BNB, for example, BNB. Okay, here, for example, I have $1 in USDT. I will select it, and now you will select the output, of course, Eywa in BNB. I can buy it here is in Ethereum, BNB or Arbitrum. I can also buy it in the same chain, Eywa. You see here in BNB, I have already more than 1,000 token. Yes, I can decide to add what I have. Now I will put the amount, $1, of course. I have only $1, or I can put the max. What $1 will give to me? Okay, this is the number of token I will have as Eywa. Means that if I put, for example, $10, yes, it's in red because my balance is insufficient, but this is the number of token, and I can tell you that this is the right time to buy. Some people are waiting when the token begin to pumping and pump and pump and pump. No, when the market is the deeper red, this is the right time to buy your token. Keep it. It is not for 1 month or maybe 10 days. No, you are securing the future. Buy and stock it for 1 year at least. When you understand all the explanation I gave to you during the webinar, you will understand that you need to buy it and keep it. We are still building our Crosscurve Meta Layer, and all we said, talking about the future and the major partnership, you understand now that this is a golden egg, and sooner or later, you will make a lot of profit with it. Okay, you can change the network, because here my network is in Arbitrum, the main network. So you need to change the network. You need to have the same network as your input here, means BNB. You see here, I change the network. Okay, it's say insufficient balance. Let's go to my $1 balance for you to see. Okay. Now, if I click to exchange or swap in English, it will change it. I don't want to do it now. It's only to show our partner how to buy. When you click to change it, it will open a pop-up here to validate and to sign the message in your wallet. And after a few seconds, you will have your Eywa token as my own balance is here. It is simple. It's not complicated. Okay, let me stop it. Okay, there are 2 other people in the room who are joining us now. Okay, I will leave the room before we close the webinar. We leave the room for somebody to ask a question or maybe to share something. The major information, let me tell it or maybe show it for the newcomer in our webinar. The major information is this. We say that, let me share again. I will not go back to all what we said, but we said this. When you look, our logo here in Crosscurve, look very well. For those who are coming in this time, look, our logo in Crosscurve. No, memorize it. Now, in your browser, if you have a browser or your phone, in fact, you have it, of course, your browser, type New Bricks Bank. Everyone knows something about BRICS Association. Type New Bricks Bank, and now you will see these, and you can browse image. You can select image, just only image to understand very well. And then it will show you various image of the new BRICS bank, New Development Bank, named NDB. Just check the logo of this. Check the logo of this. And this other one, you see here, Dilma Rousseff, the former president of our New Development Bank. And this is, I don't know this guy. His face is, I know the face, but the name, I don't remember the name. If somebody remember the name of this guy here, he can tell us. But this is Dilma Rousseff, the leader who is the CEO of that bank. Now, you yourself check your conclusion. When you see this and you see this logo in Crosscurve, what do you understand? I will leave you with this question. And if you are following the news of the DigiU, you are following what it is done deeper inside our ecosystem, you will understand what is happening. And now ask yourself, why DigiU is creating his own decentralized bank inside the ecosystem? If you don't know, if you didn't know that, you need to understand that DigiU is building his own bank, who is called Real World Asset Bank, RWA Bank, inside the DigiU ecosystem. Why? Why? Ask the right question. And then see what is developing as a in the world geopolitical concept, world geoeconomic concept. You need to understand things globally. So when we are saying that buy your share in DigiU, you are joking. Or maybe people are thinking that, oh, we want to say. No, because we are preparing something in the future. DigiU is in the heart of something is changing the world. So you need to understand very well. We are not talking like foolish men. We are talking with proof. Okay, thank you. You have the floor if you have question. Okay, somebody is saying that I should share the Telegram.
Okay.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. For me, okay, for me, it's not a question, but it's like something that we were just thinking. It was just like we were just imagining it in the past, but we are seeing the realization of it today. So to tell you that DigiU is a great project, very great project. I remember last year, I think in something like in June, Alexander E said something like, we will be more than Binance. That means, according to what he was saying. And at that time, we started saying that maybe what he's saying is like, maybe, because when we are in the market and maybe you are nowhere at a certain time, and you start comparing yourself, let's say making such a declaration in a world where we have concurrence, you see, in fact, sometimes it seems to be foolish. But now like that, we are seeing the realization of what is coming on. And I'm just saying that, in fact, it's great. So is just what I want to say.
Thank you. It is great. The future is bright and great. If you understand where we are going, you will take position, accumulate your share, buy Eywa token. Yes, of course. Just buy it. It is cheaper now. It is cheaper now. Buy it for $10, $10,000 if you want. We cannot go, how can I say? We are at the beginning, at the first level of our development, and we will going up. We will rise and shine. Let this new development bank begin to work fully. you will see transaction in the ecosystem. In fact, that is why the CEO Boris Pova don't make it noise. He don't care about the token who is dropping down, or I don't know. He know where the money will come in the ecosystem. And notice that we have only 1 billion max supply and total supply.
Yes, Mr. Jared, please
Yeah.
let me also add a little to it. Two things I just want to say is that um, DGU has so many projects that they themselves are like liquidity pool. When we're talking about this cross-curve meta layer, we have seen that it is aggregator of all aggregators, bringing everything together as a pool, like a pool of all pool, like a gathering of all gatherings.
Yes.
You're talking of that nature. Now, when we also look at our RWA bank, RWA Bank is also a liquidity. You already know what bank does. Everybody already knows that people carry their money and deposit in a bank. So it is liquidity generator. Now, that bank itself, working on the principle of blockchain, will depend on Crosscurve Meta Layer. And that is why we are already seeing the picture of this BRICS bank that we're talking about. And I remember dropping a voice note saying that even the world now, generally, globally, every bank are now switching to a standard system of ISO 20022. If you read about that ISO 20022, you will see the principle of the programming language and why it's a form of programming language that you can switch all bank transactions, and in that way it allows for uh, even programs that are not within the programming language of blockchain to interrelate and interwork. So in that regard, that is how blockchain relates with any external entities that are not really on the blockchain, using what we call Oracle or programming language like extensible markup language, XLM. So I'm just trying to say in other news that everybody who is already having the opportunity to hear about DGU, please make it a point of duty to get two things, just these two things. Number one, buy the Eywa token, keep. It is the cheapest price possible now. If you say you have $10, I don't care, buy it, keep. Leave it for now. In fact, forget it there. Or you can buy, if you have enough amount from $50 upward, buy it, stake it, and leave it there for now. You don't care about it within the next 1 to 2 years. Don't care about it. I know what I'm saying. Then finally, buy your DigiU shares, because even Eywa Crosscurve is a sub product of DigiU. You can see the AI, you can see the Crosscurve, you can see every other product within it. So my advice, those two things, even if you are not buying any other thing, although of course there are other programs like the Solana validator, which is very fantastic. There are other programs like the DigiU Wealth, DigiU Deposits, other programs like that I could continue naming, even on the WebWise Launchpad and everything. But if at all you will not participate, if at all you have poor participation mechanism, I don't understand that. But if you have that, those two things, don't miss it. Don't miss it. It is like the central focus of many things. So, and if you have from $50 upward, buy it and stake it. So that is my contribution. Thank you so much, Mr. Jared.
Okay, thank you. To finish, let us check this. We'll finish. We have only 5 minutes remaining. Let us check this. I'm saying that we are talking with proof. Look, this is, everybody can browse it, coingecko.com, and you can check Eywa token. This is Eywa statistic. Here, look, this, what is interesting, here we have the circulation supply, 389 million token and something like that. Look, when this is like that, if you check it next month, you will see that it will grow. It's different. We will hit 1 billion token as circulation supply, and then the pumping system will begin. The country of the BRICS will buy all the token in the market. They will buy all. And now let me take another example. In the same way, let's check, for example, BNB. Yes, let's check BNB. BNB, we select. Well, this is one of the major blockchain in the world at this time. Let's just look BNB. You see, for example, BNB statistic, 200 million max supply. Total supply, less than 200, no, 200 million, please, not billion, 200 billion. And now the circulation supply at this time. Look this. Now, let's check again. You will understand. Remember the max supply, what makes a token that will be powerful. Max supply, total supply. You see, this is max. Means that above this, no other token. Okay, now you see the utility. Let's check, for example, what's Tron? Okay, let's check Tron. Tron, one of the useful token in the market. You will see the difference. You will see the difference. I want to show you something. Okay, look, the max supply, 94 billion. 94 billion, more than 94 billion. And
Yeah, that's total supply.
The max, yes, I wanted to show the max supply is infinity. Means that they can generate unlimited token. And this, it is very important. Means that even if the token reach maybe $1,000, the creator can generate token again and the price will drop down. You understand what I'm saying? And maybe this can explain why the Tron token never reached $1. I don't know. It is my own thinking. I'm not saying that is so. Look the circulation supply. At this time, all the total supply, but the max supply is infinity. You understand? You can check it. Look, let's check another last one. What do you say? Ethereum. Okay. Let's check Ethereum also. And let's go to the statistic. You will see max supply, infinity. This is questionable. Total supply, this is the total supply, the circulation supply. Total supply means the token generated at this time. And this is, but the max supply is infinity. You see the difference. And when you go back to the Eywa, you will see that max supply is 1 billion. Total supply is 1 billion. Nothing else. And now let's check lastly the major, the first crypto blockchain, BTC. You will understand what I'm saying. Okay, now max supply 21 million, nothing else. Total supplies, this 19 million. Means that sooner he will reach his max supply. Circulating supply, this is this. And now, now you understand. Let's go back to the Eywa token we were looking. Let's go back to the Eywa and check again for you to understand. We have the circulation supplies of less than half of the total supply. Imagine when this circulation supply will be 1 billion. What will happen? And it will reach it. Maybe check, let us check. Each month, I am checking this. I'm checking the evolution of this. It is like a compass for me to understand when the token will begin his growing, his fast growing as a value. Because all these tokens will be on the market. Okay, I wanted to finish with this to let you understand that there are some key points will let us understand that we have a utility token and a governance token who cannot fail. So if you back it, if you put inside your bag a combo of DigiU share, Eywa token, Solana validator, I don't know, you will not be poor. You just be patient and wait for them to take the value, and you will smile. Thank you. We are coming at the end of our meeting. I think that there is no other question. If you have a last question, you can raise your hand or maybe open your mic. If not, we will stop here and I will give Mr. Marvelous the floor for the word of the end.
Thank you so much, Mr. Gerard. What a fantastic presentation, sir. As usual, whenever you are on board, or Mr. Junior, we don't expect anything less. And it has always been A class all the time. So thank you so much for this yet a fantastic and wonderful time spent thus far with so many revelation of what DG is all about. We just want to appreciate, and for every member within the community, please don't keep mute anytime you need any further information regarding how to, maybe you want to buy your Eywa, uh, maybe this explanation and everything, you can chat Mr. Junior, Gerard, Mr. Junior, myself, or any other leader within the country. And I believe that you'll be able to get everything right. So that's just all about what we want to say. If you are paying your installments, keep it up. If you have not yet purchased common shares, this is the time for it during this bridge round. This is the time for it. Work while others work, invest while others invest, because there is a time where it will be almost too late. For instance, if you want to buy Facebook share, it is still available on the stock market, but it is no longer affordable to buy as many as possible again. It will be the same thing at some point in time. So, and I encourage everyone, let's do our best. Get common shares. If you have privilege shares before, get common shares. If you don't have privilege shares before, you need to buy as many common shares as possible. So that's my comment. Thank you so much, Mr. Gerard.
Okay, there will be the word of the end. Thank you. See you next time. Stay tuned in our channel. Just watch, follow, make what you can for your future. Have a good night and God bless you.
Good
God
night.
bless you. Bye, everyone.